Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do a tutorial on Hamming distance. I've done two different videos on Euclidean distance and Manhattan distance. You can go and check those out. Links in the description below, and one of them will be in one of these corners, so you can go and check that out. I'll have a Python video on Hamming distance coming out tomorrow, so make sure you go and check that one out, and then of course you can go and check out the other ones. So let's get right into it. With Hamming distance, rather than finding the difference of each dimension we're working with, like in Euclidean and Manhattan distance, we only care about whether the dimensions are exactly equal to each other. And here's an example. Say we have two arrays or two lists, and we've got one that says 1, 2, 3, and we've got one that says 1, 3, 3. What would be the Hamming distance? Well, there's not really so much maths in this one, but it's more intuition. Since the arrays we have are exactly identical in all but one of the indexes, or dimensions as they're referred to, the Hamming distance is 1. The first index is okay because they're both 1. The second one is where they vary because the numbers are different. So you've got 2 in the second index for the first array, and you've got 3 in the second one. So that means the Hamming distance is 1 because the dimensions aren't exactly equal. And of course, the third one is okay since the numbers are the same and the dimensions are exactly equal, 3 and 3. You may be thinking, where can this be used? It may seem intuitive as to where Euclidean and Manhattan distance can be used, but what about Hamming distance? Well, a practical example is spell checking algorithms. If we have the word cat and someone types the word vat, it's pretty clear to our algorithm that there's an error if we intended to type cat or hat or bat or rat or whatever other word there is. And we know that the Hamming distance is 1. Now, of course, this isn't the only algorithm for spell checking, but that's just a practical example of where Hamming distance may be practically applied. And that's Hamming distance in a nutshell. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Make sure you come back tomorrow for the Python program example of Hamming distance and how to implement it. Until next time, bye.